All right, we're going to expand the power customers are going to have by building their own libraries. I'm going to do a quick demo here. It's going to allow us to set up our own callbacks at the library level. This will start to allow you to create your own handlers and everything like that that are unique to your library. First thing I'm going to show you here is that you'll notice that the library schema version has increased to 0.2.0, and we've added a new field here called Advanced Library Path. And it's got a link to a file name here. I'm going to go look at this guy. He's got 2 callbacks in it. First off, he derives from the Advanced Node Library, which is what we're going to call this class. It has callbacks for allowing you to extend that functionality on a library basis. So we've got a before library nodes loaded and an after library nodes loaded. So with that teed up, we are going to run our application, and let's see what's going on. We're running. Boom. Before library nodes loaded. Look at that. We can print all these cool things out. It is going to load 99 nodes in my default library. And when we get, after we've loaded all 99 of them, we're going to say we finished loading them. Now this may not seem much, successfully loaded 99 nodes, but this is the opening of the door for us to have all kinds of custom functionality built into our libraries. More to come. Thanks everybody.